One of the things that you can do in Google Slides are import your own themes as well. So for that, I already have a PowerPoint presentation over here on my desktop. So this is a default theme that I have in PowerPoint. So I just saved it as a file just like this. So now what I can do to import that very theme in Google Slide is to go into the theme section right here. And over here on the bottom, you can see import theme is an option. Once you click on it, what happens is that you can upload out your file right here or choose from the files that you have inside of your Google Slides as well. So you can select other slides and import out the theme, but I'm going to upload one right here. So I'm just going to go to upload and then I'm going to select a file from your device button right here. Once I do that, you can navigate around onto the theme that you want to import. Simply click on it and click on open. Once you do that, what happens is that it gets uploaded into Google Slide as a theme, and then you can see that you have an option. So office theme is the name right here. You simply click on it and click on import theme. So once you do that, you can see that the text starts to change and everything. So you can see that this is for the elementary school and similar theme is there. So if you were to go on layout, you can see that various theme choices are here. So this is like hello there. So this is more for elementary right here. There's nothing right here, but you can go around over here, and if you want to add in more themes, what you can do is you can go around into this area right here, and then you can select other themes right here. You can see that the theme has been imported, so I can say hello there right here, for example, and then I can go here and type it as well. So if I want another theme, then I can simply go over here and select another theme over here, and just like this, I can just type it in right here. I can go around and select another as well and type it in right here. And that is how you can import theme and work with it inside of Google Slides. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.